We're about to go down to the plant room here. So you can see all the liquefaction. It's really bad, it's quite high. All the way through here. Bugs can't go in there. But I can give you an idea of what it looks like in there. Sign on the door says strictly no entry, so we can't. People not go in here. This is the plant room and room where they check the pool and do whatever they do. Just heading back out now, the way we came. Back out with the gym. You can look at the roof in this place, it's actually mounted. This place was full of people at the time. Okay, now we're just heading out for the very last time. And just so you know, this door was open. And there we go. Goodbye, QE2. And that was your last look at QE2 Stadium and Pool Complex. Today is Sunday.